Hello and welcome. So in our this tutorial, we are looking at escape characters. Okay, if you're able to follow along to this far, congratulations, you've gone far. Okay, I think we are done with our HTML. But before we run up, I want us to look at escape characters. Okay, because it is equally important. If you're working on a project, let's say you are inside your code, how will you use a symbol like greater sign? Okay, because greater sign has been reserved. That's what you are using to code your syntax. Okay, that's what you are using as your open and closing tags. So you can't use a symbols like that unless you use an escape characters to help you. Okay, so if you move into my text editor like this, you can see I've generated some random text here. Okay, this is a long issue random text that I've generated. Don't think about anything here, just consider this one as a test, and I'll break it like this. Okay, with a heading that says what? This is my heading. Okay, so let's go to the browser and refresh. Okay, so we have something like this. Now let's say I want a space. I want a space in between the Lorraine and Isum, or I want a space here at the end of the Isum. I want a space here. If I create more space like it, then I save. Okay, if I create more space like it, then I come to save, then I save, then I go to the browser and refresh. I'll not see anything. Likewise, if I create more space like this, I'll not see anything unless I use the line break. This one also, if I need more space in here, it is not about the number of space that I'll create here that will give me the space. Nothing will happen. It doesn't work that way. That is why we need the escape characters to assist us in creating this kind of things in our code, like how what you are seeing here to create a space to get a TM and at less than greater than and the question mark as well. So let's take them individually and see how it is. Now for instance, if I want to create the space, I've typed them here. So let me copy the code for the space. If I need a space here, I only have to input to fill in the gap with the space. Okay, I can do it like this, it's a work, and if I do it like this, it's work likewise. So for the start, let me use only one to show you, okay, so that you see it. So before you refresh, you can see that there's no space in here, in between here. But if you refresh, take a look, you can see that it has created a space. Okay. So if I add more and save and come here and refresh, save, refresh, you can see that the spacing has been now widely open. So if you want it more, you put in more, okay, to get it more. It's as simple as that. Now let's move on to the next one. That is the TM, okay. This one. Okay, so I have that one also typed here already. So let me copy it. Then um inside our sublime. So let's locate a place like this, then paste it. Save it, head towards the browser and refresh. Okay, you can see we have our TM here. Now what is next on the line is the ampersand. Okay, copy it, put it anywhere, refresh, save it, head towards the browser, refresh. You can see we have our ampersand here. Okay, you can see that we have our ampersand right here. Okay, yes, our ampersand is right here. Okay, what is next on the line? We have at. At is copy. Let's put it here in between this one. Put it here. Save it. Refresh. Okay, you can see here. You can see it here. Okay, this is the copyright symbol. Okay. Now what is next? Okay. Now we have our less than. So let's put our less than here. Anywhere will do. Sorry. Let's put our less than here. Save it. Head towards the browser and refresh. Oh sorry. Oh sorry. This is LT, not IT. Okay, it's LT. Let's refresh. Okay, there we go. We have our less than here. What is next on the line? We have our greater than. Okay, so copy it. Let's put our greater than here. Refresh. Okay, there we go. Now, what else do you have? The question mark. Let's bring it here. Save it. Head towards the browser. Refresh. And we have our question mark here. Awesome. Okay, so this is the advantageous side of what's using escape characters. Okay, it will save you a lot while you are progressing with your web development skills. Now, I think we are through and we are running out with all what you have learned so far. Congratulations if you're able to get to this far. And I have a work for you. I have a project for you. Okay, so you build a one-page website about or a single-page website about yourself or your favorite pets with the HTML style that you have studied so far. So you are building a single-page website that contains your image, and you would have to bring some ordered and unordered list talking about the things that you like, your favorite food, maybe your favorite, your hobbies, your interest, and all those kind of things. You can use the unordered and ordered list. You can create a table to list some of the activities that you used to do, and also you can create a nice background, okay, and maybe change the background color and also doing something, maybe putting some stuffs like that. Okay. And make sure you position your tests also nicely and make them look so awesome. Okay. By using the line breaks and also some of the escape characters as well. Now, before you move on, let me show you something. So as you can see, there is another syntax reserved that centers your test. Okay, call center. Okay, so without CSS, you can still center your test. You can use the center to center your test. Maybe if you are writing about yourself, maybe you can center some text here, and you would put your image. You can center your image at the center. Maybe like your passport image, you can make it a smaller size like your passport, and you can also use your image as a background, at least make the project look more attractive. Okay, so this is the assignment that I have for you. Please make sure you complete the assignment, submit it on time. I'll access it when everything is perfect, then we can carry on with our CSS lessons. Congratulations once again, you have made it so far to being able to complete the basic thing that you need to understand about HTML. So when we get on to our CSS, we will still study more and also build ourselves to become a web developer. All right. Now we'll end here and see you on the next one.